Today we're going to show you how to change the control board on your dishwasher, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a number 20 Torx screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, since we will be working near some electrical circuits, we'll need to disconnect power to the dishwasher. So if it's a portable dishwasher, simply unplug it. If it's a built-in dishwasher, you'll need to locate the fuse panel or breaker panel and disconnect the power at that point. We'll next open the dishwasher door, and we're going to remove all of these screws that are around the perimeter of the inner door panel using our number 20 Torx driver. Now, once we've removed all of those screws, we can then lift the inner door panel away from the outer door panel. Just tilt it up enough that we can access the 2 wire harnesses. There's one that goes to the dispenser. We'll just unlock the locking tabs and disconnect it. And there's also a harness connected to the wax motor at the top. So we separate those two, and we can then lift the inner door panel away. Now next, we're going to remove a single 1/4-inch hex head screw that secures the cover over the control board. Just loosen that, and then you can lift the cover up on the front and pull it down and away. Now next, we're going to remove touchpad membrane connector. So on the edges of that connector, we're just going to pull those forward like that, and then slide that membrane out. Next one, we'll release the locking tab and pull that away. Release the locking tab and pull that one away. And the 2 larger plugs are just a friction fit. These connectors will be tight, so you pull a little hard on them. Now next, we're going to take a small flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to release 2 little locking tabs, one on either side, that hold that board in place. So just gently lift up on the board while we push those tabs in to release it. Then you can lift the board out and away. Now we'll take the new board. I'm going to set that down in. There are 2 little locating tabs at the back that will mate up with these 2 round holes. And it'll tuck in under a couple of tabs, and we can press it down into place so that the locking tabs on the side of that housing will hold it in position. We'll reconnect the wire harnesses. Make sure they're fully inserted. And that the locking tabs are engaged on these 2. And again, we'll pull that membrane switch connector lock forward, slide the membrane all the way in, and then push the locking tab back into position. We can then put the cover back on. And the retaining screw. We're now ready to reattach the inner door panel. So just raise the outer door panel enough that the harnesses will reach. Reconnect the one to the dispenser and to the top for the wax motor on the dryer vent. Then we're going to lay that inner door panel in position on the outer door panel, making sure that the door latch assembly is lined up and fits into the rectangular opening. And then we'll replace the 11 screws around the perimeter. They're all number 20 Torx. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.